Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can secure your Facebook account. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Once you have the app open, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now, tap on the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will bring up a list of options. From there, select the settings icon, which looks like a cogwheel at the top of the menu. Once you're inside the settings menu, tap on the Action Center at the top. Here, you will see various features related to your account's security and privacy. Look for the password and security feature and tap on it. In this section, select Change Password. It is important to update your password regularly to keep your account secure. Make sure to create a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you have updated your password, get back one step and look for the option to enable two-factor authentication on your account. This feature adds an extra layer of security by sending you a notification whenever someone tries to log into your account from an unrecognized device. Finally, access the Saved Login feature in the settings. Here, you can check every device that your account is logged into. If you see any unknown devices, make sure to log out from those devices to secure your account further. So that's basically how you can secure your Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.